Hello everybody, I'm Dr. Deepak Inamdar. Today I'm going to talk to you about bone health, a topic which is relevant to all of us. There are 5 essential things for good bone health. One being a good protein intake. A diet rich in protein is important for protein acts as a building block for the bones. Two, a diet rich in calcium, either in the form of dairy products, milk, millets, or dark green leafy vegetables, which are high sources of calcium. So, till the age of 35 years, one needs to accumulate calcium. It's like a bone bank, after which one loses calcium, be it in men or women. 3 is an ideal body weight. One shouldn't be underweight or overweight. Both are detrimental to your bone health. 4, exercise. A good amount of exercise is responsible for building strong bones till your skeletal maturity and maintaining the bone strength in your older age. The 5th and most important perhaps is vitamin D. Good amount of vitamin D exposure either through sunlight or supplement helps in maintaining the calcium and absorption of calcium into your body. So these are the 5 essential ingredients of bone health one needs to take care of. Thank you.